When the remnants of Hurricane Irma came through Greenville, we got a little bit of damage. That antenna broke, and I have some trim up here on the edge of the building that broke. It flew off on this side and it stayed attached, but it's just bent up like crazy on the other side. I need to get up there and secure it back down and see if it's too damaged or not. They're not in horrible shape, so I'm just going to screw them back in place. And that's looking good. Looks like that needs to be tamped down. That is secure. All right. For the other side of the roof, these two pieces completely flew off the building. These ones, just like the other side, weren't screwed down on the lower edge, and that's why the wind caught up underneath them. Some assembly required. One thing that's kind of fun about these two pieces here, the two that flew off the building, the big piece was leaning up against this fence and it was impaled in the ground. I should fix all these edges where it's bent up. I have my tools, try and straighten this out best I can. Oh, that still looks terrible. Far from perfect, but a lot better than it was. I'm gonna go with that. Okay, I put those screws through holes where the screw was ripped out, so they're not holding real well, but they're really acting more as a plug for leaks. So I'm going to put some legitimate screws in. When I bent that metal, this didn't get bent down as far as I was hoping. There's one more screw hole here, but that's going to overlap with the next piece. Oh, tight. I forgot screws. Project is almost complete. This last piece right here is a trim piece for the top center, and it's pretty banged up, so I need to go fix that before I try and put it back in place. Nah, I better carry that down. Bend it some more, so I'm gonna leave it right there. But I'm going to put a screw here to hold this in place and plug these. Oh, nice. I think I'm going to call it a day. It's been a beautiful day. Beautiful weather. Well, that screw is not touching anything. Whoa. These holes are plugged in place. I'm going to take the drill down, the trim piece down, and I'll come back for the camera.